My name's Dave Knopf, and I own and operate Leon Edwards. We are a cabinet and woodworking shop. We work on primarily vintage homes on the North Shore of Chicago. We do custom cabinets, woodwork creation, furniture. I was really lacking finding some skilled labor. So I started looking at different CNC options. Then I came across Inventables. It presented itself in such a fashion that it just really worked. I have a design build background in landscape architecture. I've used AutoCAD. I hadn't used it in years, and it can become very daunting. So really what drove me to the decision to Inventables was Easel Pro. It's so intuitive that it sells itself, and that software then sells the machine. I'm trying to leverage it more to do just blind dados, anything that I can replicate and not have to question, like, why am I off an eighth? We have a client that commissioned us to do some oversized doll houses. So 7 foot tall by 5 feet wide doll house. And I figured we can do this all day long on a table saw, but anytime you start batching out multiple parts, you're going to have enough variance that it's going to create more back-end work to clean it up. So we use it to manufacture in that respect to get precision parts made. To have something like the X-Carve Pro in your shop, it's easy to replicate, it's easy to make changes, mistakes happen, but at the same time, it's not like you're starting over, because to tweak the software, which ends up driving the machine, one really plays into the other. My 10-year-old, she just saw me one day working at the dining room table on a program, and she's like, "What are you drawing?" And I showed her, and she's like, "Oh, can I try?" And then she quickly put two and two together. She starts producing stuff off of easel and then wants to batch it out. And honestly, if a 10-year-old can get on the computer and start designing, it speaks volumes to how easy it is, whether you want to do something as simple as a clip art sign up to cabinetry and beyond.